Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to improve our geometry skill. Today is our lesson number 20, day number 20. Problem is already on the blackboard. We are told that ABC is an isosceles triangle and O is, well, it will help you if I actually give you the picture, won't it? So we have a circle with the center O. So let's draw the circle first with the center O. We are told that A to C is 10. A to C is 10. And of course, because as you can see, A to C, the line A to C goes through O, through the center, which means it's the diameter. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So let's draw an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. As you can see there, we are told that. So again, one more time. ABC is an isosceles triangle, ABC, which means this side equals that side. O is the center of the circle. A to C is 10. Question simply is, what's the area of the shaded region? And I'm going to show you the shaded region. Here are the answer choices. This mark was not there, so I'm going to erase it. You just have to understand what isosceles triangle means, which means AB equals BC. And the shaded region they're talking about is this. That's the shaded region we're looking for. I want you to pause the video at this point. Solve the problem yourself. As always, if you've been watching my video in the past, you know that is what I do. That is what this is how we operate. This is the modus operandi. Pause the video at this point. Solve it. When you have the answer, resume the video. In other words, don't keep watching it. You're not going to get much out of it. Pause it. Solve it yourself. I'll give you a few seconds to pause and unpause. Okay? Alright then. First thing we're going to figure out is the area of the circle. We'll first figure out the area of the circle. Once we have the area of the circle, we'll take half of that. And once we have half the area of the circle, we'll figure out the area of the triangle. And once we have the area of the triangle, we subtract from area of the circle. From the area of half the circle, we subtract area of the triangle, and we'll have our shaded region. And then if that was too fast, don't worry about it. You'll see in a second. So here's the solution. We know that A to C is 10. A to C is 10 and it goes from the center. Therefore, we know that the diameter is 10 of the circle. If the diameter is 10, that means the radius is 5. Therefore, area of the circle is pi r squared, 25 pi. Well, right away you know. Well, what do you know right away? Right away we know that answer choice A and B are not right. Answer choice A and B couldn't possibly be right because we see a pi here. So from this area of the circle we're going to take away something, but at the end we're going to have a pi in the answer choice. Pi is not there. Why do we have to have pi in the answer choices? Because that pi is not going to go away, because next we're going to figure out the area of the triangle, and the area of the triangle has nothing to do with pi. It's just base times height, that's all. So pi is not going to disappear. So the correct answer, whatever it is, has to have this bloody pi in it. A and B are not right. Let's try to figure out the area of the triangle ABC. Why should we do it? Let's continue here. Area of the triangle ABC equals 1/2 base is this, A to C is the base, which is 10. I need the room, so I need to erase some of this thing here, or I'm going to do this part. Answer choice E is here. I'm going to put the answer choice E here. 50 pi minus 1 I needed the room. 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base, which is A to C, times height, which is going to be from O to B. Well, A to C is the diameter, which we know is 10. Height O to B is the radius, which we know is 5. So 2 cancels out with the, so we get 25. So the area of the triangle is 25. Area of the circle was 25 pi. What do we do next? What do we do next? I am rapidly running out of room here. Now we have to figure out area of half the circle. I'm going to erase the top part, I need the room. So area of the circle is right here, 25 pi. Therefore, I'm picking it up from here. Therefore, area of half the circle would be 25 pi over 2. Half the circle. And finally, area of the shaded region would equal area of half the circle minus area of the triangle ABC. There you go. Area of half the circle, minus the area of the triangle. Area of the half the circle we already know is this part right here. So it is 25 pi over 2 minus area of the triangle, which we just found to be 25, area of the triangle. This is your answer. Well, we have to do something with it to make it look like one of the answer choices. So we're going to have to continue here. Let's continue down here. Let's continue this quantity down here. Or we can, let's not make it too complicated. So here we have 25 pi over 2 and here we have 25 by itself. What do we find common in the two quantities? 25 pi over 2 and 25. We can take out 25 common. If we take out 25 common, we are left with pi over 2 here. And if we take out 25 common from there, we are left with 1. Voila. 25 times pi over 2 minus 1. Oh, I made a mistake in giving you the answer choices, didn't I? Sorry about it. This is the answer. Forget about the answer choices. That's the final answer. 25. I made a mistake. The answer choice C should have been 25 times pi over 2 minus 1. Instead, I do not know how it happened, but I wrote the wrong thing. I put down this 2 outside, which made this half. It wasn't a half. Sorry about that. Things like that happen sometimes. Sorry about that. But anyway, this is your final answer. 25 times pi over 2 minus 1. If you were struggling with it to come up with the answer, then sorry about that, as I said. That was day number 20. Starting from tomorrow, I'm done with the areas of, I'm done with the concept of circles and circumference and the area of the circle and the circumference and so forth for the time being. Starting from tomorrow, day number 21, we're going to start with the concept of squares and rectangles. Very straightforward, very simple concepts, and the problems will become again easier. And we'll build up again from there, and then we will move on to the next concept, area of the triangles and so on and so forth. Okay. I don't know how far I will go, but we'll see. I'll see you tomorrow. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, either face-to-face or over the internet via Skype for GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL, or just geometry, algebra, calculus, statistics, whatever it is, you can go to any of these website addresses that you see there, and send me an email. Or you can go to kishwaniprep.com and send me an email from there. I provide private tutoring, as I said, one-to-one over the internet via Skype, and of course in person if you happen to be in my area. I'll see you tomorrow, day number 21. Okay? Bye.